guys, today we will be unboxing Apple iPhone 11. So let's start. Okay, let's move that plastic film. And here's the box itself. Okay, so here's the Apple iPhone 11. In its glory. So looks like no protective layer on the back panel, only on the front panel. Okay, this white color actually looks pretty nice in person. Okay, so let's power it up real quick. Nice. Let's see, here are all the papers. In my case in Polish language, because this is distribution of this phone, and of some other also, Russian, etc. Apple stickers, of course, nothing really important. Okay, we might take it later. And here is the charger. Apple AirPods. Unfortunately, they are pretty poor headphones, but it is what it is. And okay, I thought it will be USB-C over here, but it's probably in the Apple iPhone 11 Pro. And here is the lightning cable, of course. Okay, so let's see how it looks. This is standard LCD panel, I believe. Nothing crazy. Okay, so that's that. Stay tuned for camera comparison videos, of course, and camera review. This will be fun. And that was that. Just a quick unboxing video. Thank you all for watching, and subscribe and rate this video. See you later.